SEO is hard. How should I start my SEO? Most of the beginners face this problem. So what are the things or the tips should a beginner to know in order to succeed in SEO? Hi, I'm Andres from Cleverest Consulting, and today I'm here to discuss this topic, things to know before start SEO. Stay tuned. Before we get into this topic, make sure you watch the previous video, Is SEO Dead? Because I had discussed some of the basic SEO in a video. When you first started SEO, you might feel overwhelming. Well, it is not surprised that you feel hard to learn SEO because there are many SEO experts who have been in this game for decades long, but still they are learning the new SEO strategies. Before you feel overwhelmed, you should understand each of the SEO components. If you are able to break the SEO down to its core fundamentals, it is not as complicated as you think. Before you learn about the SEO tricks, you have to understand the fundamental components. Remember, the goal of SEO is to optimize your website to rank at the first page of Google. There's a lot of ways to do so, but it is all about how do you improve the relevance and the authority of your website. So what is meant by relevance? Relevance is a measure of how appropriate your content is for query, which can be tweaked with the content creations and the keyword selections. What is meant by authority? Authority is a measure of how trustworthy is Google views on your website. Next, specific target keywords is not as essential as they used to be in the past. Now Google search is filled with the semantic and contextual understanding. Nevertheless, you should be able to classify the hit and long-tail keywords target to guide the direction of your campaign. The old school link building is dead and outdated. Today, the best link is to earn rather than build. So you need to create a content on external website and build the branding at the same time. So this can create an opportunity to link back to your website. If the content is well researched, then it could go viral in syndications. In other words, you will be earning this link as many people cite it as their content. Many people will think that on-page optimizations can be very complicated and confusing. In fact, it is a very important tactic to implement, which allow your website to be more visible and indexable to the search engine. These tactics are including the optimizations of the titles, the meta descriptions, the targeted keywords, and the codes that you put on the website. Make sure it is accurate and minimal. And always remember to provide the relevant content on every pages. Lastly, it is very important for you to know how to measure your SEO result because you won't go far in SEO if you do not know how to measure your result. If you are new, Google Analytics will be the best tools for you. Spend some time to study with different metrics and learn about the patterns of your visitors and audience. You can start with measurement monthly and scale up to weekly if you raise your investment. Of course, these 5 concepts won't make you become an SEO expert, but you can get started with some of the basics of SEO. So what do you think about this video? Leave the comment below and let us know about your opinion. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. There are more SEO videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.